want to do a little YouTube show or series about how to make the Android version of Outblocks. So my idea was to go down and break down each part of the code into little videos and show how I've done each thing. So, for example, I would show how I've made the view list. I would show how the icons are being generated as you enter into each cell. So like that. Also show you how to edit them or set a reminder for each one. I would also show you how the calendar integration works. So if we look here in our calendar app, we have an all day event and then an event between 5 a.m. and 6 a.m. So in the actual app, we load the calendars in and then they are loaded into the actual view list. And if we unticked one of them, it would actually update the app on the fly. If we add it back in, it will be back in again. It also has a cache, so it'll store the time and then it'll update based on the current time. So if we just go into settings now, to go to 3 a.m. and then we go back to the app. Might need to close it again. And then it should update, hopefully. Yeah, and then it's updated again. And then it'll constantly keep happening. And then the cache will update and the keys will update as you keep using the app. So as each day goes on, wherever you enter will be removed based on time. And then I'll also show how I've done the to-do list. It's quite simple, but worth sharing. You can also change the label colour, and also having a slider within an alert box is quite a nice touch. And then we can add it in, and then it'll update. And then we can add it to the current hour block, like that, and then it'll be pushed onto here.